Ano nauwi ang kapitbahay natin?
Ano yan naman ka ba?
Did you kill the mosquito? Hmm? Did you kill the mosquito and flies? Hmm?
Guys, our food is ready. Let's eat.
Kali. Daming tao ngayon kasi holiday bukas. Walang kalaro, nag-iisa.
So yun yung maraming bata eh. Gusto mo?
Gutom yan, oh.
Butas ka?
Ha? Kasi gutom. Kung bibigyan mo yan ng pagkain, magtatawag yan ng mga kasama, kaya hindi na lang. Marami yan eh.
Hi Tali!
Hi.
Did you have fun?
Yes, I fun. I look like a mermaid.
Yeah, you are.
I'm a glow.
Yes.
Mermaids a glow.
Yes. Bilis ah.
Barbecue na po guys. Panihapon for dinner. Beef. Snack guys. Rice.
Go to washroom.
Later on.
Bilis mo mag-charge.
20%.
Yeah.
Init guys, init. How's my tali?
Good.
Good?
I'm playing my iPad.
You
I'm
wanna go?
playing Sago Mini.
You wanna go outside?
No, because there's a lot of mosquitoes.
You afraid of mosquito?
Because the mosquito's gonna bite me.
Oh, don't afraid of mosquito because mosquito is part of environment. Ito yung kwa namin guys, portable washroom. Yan oh. So hindi nalalabas ng tent kung mag-ihi. Okay rin siya.
Tali, you wanna go out? Stay here? Come on.
Tali. Wow, ate.
Put down your iPad.
I'm about to go a good girl.
Mainit guys, mainit.
Very good girl.
Nasa kwan ngayon, ilan? Ilang degrees ngayon?
Is Daddy the
31
bad?
ata.
31
Good
degrees.
boy.
31 ata, 32. Good boy.
Are you a good girl or
Bigyan mo
bad
si Tali.
girl?
Nag-ismos.
Mommy,
Tingnan mo, nag-iPad nga eh.
are you a good girl or bad girl?
I am a bad girl.
No.
Yeah?
Bukas guys, uwi na kami. Ito na yung kwa namin, last night dito.
Are you joking, Mommy? Mommy,
Hmm?
are you joking?
Yeah.
Ngayon ay alas 9 na ng gabi pero maliwanag pa rin.
Today is last night of our camping.
Yes.
Yes.
You want to go camping again? Guys,
You want to go camping again?
how about you, Julia?
Next week.
Next week we go again?
Tali loves camping, same as Daddy, right? But Ate don't like camping. Ate was so stressed because of the lamok. Because of the lamok in the langaw. Right, Tali?
I hate mosquitoes.
You hate mosquito? But mosquito is a part of camping.
The mosquito now is already active.
Maya, may kita ka.
That's why we make a bonfire to eliminate the mosquito.
What can you say about McGregor Provincial Park?
I'm gonna say
From 1 to
about
10?
it.
Yeah, rate it.
So I rate McGregor Provincial Park maybe 7.
7, why?
So, masyadong malaki.
Mm.
Maganda, tahimik. Malaki yung
Marami kasing puno dito, talagang ano.
malaki yung space. Pero ang hindi lang nagustuhan ko dito ay yung kanila, yung
Go
paliguan,
down
yung
the
beach.
cave.
Yeah, ang
Kasi
beach kasi nila
mabato.
muddy.
Mabato siya, tapos
Whoa, go to the cave.
mabaho.
Muddy din baga, malabo.
Pero overall, 7, not bad.
Yeah, pumupunta pa kaming labas para makaligo ng ano lake like Port Elgin.
So kung may sinong gusto may planong pumunta dito, try nyo lang.
Pero magandang McGregor ah.
Ang maganda dito yung one trail nila.
Hey, go to the cave.
Tsaka ano siya, talagang very forest ano, forest nature.
That's it.
Meron pa naman kasi ibang mga camping area na hindi lang naman to area natin. Malawak ang camping area nila. What did you like here in McGregor?
Did you like the McGregor provincial bar?
I like go to the tent.
To sleep.
You like to sleep in the tent?
Yes.
Do you
what
like
else?
the
I
beach?
like play with Mandy and Alex.
Do you like the beach? Huh? Did you enjoy?
I really like to play with my toys
Hey.
because I got street plushies.
How about the beach? Did you enjoy?
No, the water's so dirty.
Oh my god. But you enjoy. Huh? Do you like to come again?
Do you like camping?
Yes.
You want camping again?
Wait, next week we're gonna go to the different camping.
I don't know. It depends on Daddy.
Yeah.
We
We
have
go but different place.
We have no more vacation. Our vacation is over.
How about you? How about you, Julia? Julia. She is so bored.
So bored.
I really
Yeah.
like to
And
eat.
so,
S'mores.
buti hindi ka napaso.
How about Tali?
Come on, butterfly. Go to the cave. Ooh.
Balik ka ba sa kwarto mo? Ay, sa tent mo? Magtutulog.
Maaga pa. Good morning guys. Today is July 1, Canada Day. Nag-walking ako ngayon guys. Ayan. Maganda dito, presko yung hangin. Malayo siya sa ingay, sa pollution. Maganda dito kasi tahimik.
Today is the last day of camp. Uwian na. Wala na. Clean up. Ito na lang i-put down. Kanina busy sila. Tali, where are we going?
Team Hortons.
Where are we going?
Team Hortons.
Tim Hortons? We're going home.
But
But what? Here, Tim Hortons. See? Tim Hortons. See, Tim Hortons.
no breakfast there.
No breakfast there. No breakfast there. Thank you to this power station. It helps a lot. Still have 14% battery. Pang-araw, pang-apat na araw na namin dito. It's EcoFlow. EcoFlow, baka naman. Say hi muna. Oh, love. Say hi. Ang asawa kong macho.
Hi to my vlog.
Ang anak kong ayaw sa camping. Ito ayaw sa camping. Ito gusto-gusto ng camping. Ito maliit.
Ayaw ko, ba't ako tumutulog?
She enjoying the camping. You have no choice to help. Hoy! Tali, did you have fun?
Yes.
Good job. Say hi camping.
Hi, bye, camping.
Bye camping. Ready to go home?
Wala nang nakalimutan na ta. Wala na. Uwi na kami ngayon guys. Sige na.
Picture tayo.
Parang walang nabawas Ganon pa rin.
Bye camping!
I complete
Bye McGregor!
one night like
Thank you for the memories!
like what the memories.
Dito ka na mag-park, oh. Yan. Tapon ng basura. Yung propane, yung everything.
Make some confetti.
Yung nasan yung ano dila, yung sanitizer. Isang sanitizer sa akin.
Pauwi na kami guys. Dumaan lang ng washroom. Yan, check ko lang yung tire namin kung okay pa ba yung hangin kasi malayo pang biyahe namin, 2 oras mahigit. Pauwi. Canada Day pala ngayon guys. So naglagay ako ng kwan dito. Flag ng Canada. Yan, today is July 1, Canada Day, holiday.
Way to go home! Share. What a beautiful weather.